Hi, Chris.
Do you have a YouTube account?
No, Chris does.
Put it on his YouTube and I'll upload it to mine.
Yeah. Chris, hurry up, man. He's doing it. He's jumping off a bridge. I'm ready.
Here I go.
Come on, Christopher. Yeah. That's my boy. Cody, do it.
What?
Do it.
I got my shades on.
It's alright. Michael K here, over and out.